let's talk about that wind, Sam, that we just heard in Allison's microphone in Colorado Springs. That is coming on heavy.
Yeah, eastern El Paso County. Give her a bit of a break here because we are screaming the winds on through. 35-mile-per-hour winds in the Springs at the moment, 33 in Lyman. Pueblo right now, it's not as bad, but this corridor is where the winds are going to stay strongest through the day. Lamar, 28 miles per hour out of the north. And the gusts are always stronger, gusting to 44 in the Springs out of the northeast. Lyman straight out of the north in Lyman. They are 52 miles per hour. And Kit Carson and Lamar, you'll grab some of those strong gusts as well through the course of the morning. Now, because of this, we have the high wind warnings in place until this evening. El Paso County, Pueblo County, and to the south, fire weather warnings, red flag warnings are in place until tonight at 7. And we still have those fire weather watches we are keeping an eye on. Any fires that break out today are going to want to dive straight south at a good clip, so be extra careful. 31 in the Springs, 25 Monument, 41 in Pueblo, and then out to the east. It's kind of a mix of 20s, 30s, 140 there in Lamar. But honestly, I'm surprised Lyman's at 25 degrees. That just tells you how cold that air must be up there because a wind as strong as it is should keep that number a lot warmer. 6:40 for the sunrise time. Sunset is back to 7:24 and your highs today. I've got Colorado Springs pushing towards 50 at 4 o'clock, but I think you'll want to try to get 1 degree more. Pueblo, same thing. Trying to get into the mid-50s here. 58 is possible, but with the cold air coming in out of the north, it will be difficult to warm into those numbers. So at least we're going to get the 40s, but it is going to be tough to grab those 50s.